Praise morning, one and all. Myself, Sarabhat.
Myself, I have Shelley.
Myself, Palak Agare. We are from Kekewa Junior College from 11th Science. We are here to present our project. Our project topic is Environment Protection and Climate Change. We are guided by Sonal Kadal.
The ozone layer depletion causes ultraviolet radiation and these certain types of diseases, deficiencies, disorders. The main causes of ozone layer depletion manufactured of chemical, especially manufactured halocarbons, propellants and from blowing agents. In our project, mention two parts: drought and floods.
Now I am going to explain you about flood. Flood means overflow of water in a place is said to be as flooding. As you can see here, flood affect a lot on the earth. All such things occur because of the heavy rains and breakaging of the dams. Flood bring number of diseases with them such as typhoid, cholera and many more. All such things occur because of climate change and humans are only responsible for it. They cut number of trees, by it carbon dioxide increases and affect the photosynthesis process. As it affects the photosynthesis process, flood occurs. In greenhouse gases, the burning of fossil fuel, the industrial influence, the pollution, all is depleting the level of ozone layer and increasing the level of greenhouse gases and becoming a major cause of flooding. Flood affect the loss of life and property, such as breaking of buildings, sewerage system, roadways, canals, etc. The depletion of ozone layer has harmful effect on the human life, environment, animals and marine life.
Now we can see about drought. Drought is one of the most damaging environmental phenomena. Drought is damage to humankind as well as plants and animals. Humans are always suffer the weather and climate problems related to drought. However, the recent problems of water quality, which is effectively reduce the available resources apart from destructive direct effect. Drought have been followed by secondary indirect calamities such as fires and etc. During the dry and hot weather period, it is common to find the cracked earth, lakes and rivers, streams, etc. Humans' activities such as farming and domestic uses of water is highly normally impact during the drought. I defining drought, it is particularly distinguished between the dryness and the drought. Dryness is a constant features caused by climate. So we have to take all the precautions like using seawater for farming and irrigations. Then we have to arrange the drinking water tankers for our basic requirements. Similarly, drought is a natural disaster that nobody can stop from coming. We can prepare for the effect of natural disaster that may come less.
For all such things, we should avoid the consumption of gases which are dangerous to the ozone layer, minimize the use of car, do not use cleaning products which are harmful for environment and to us, buy local product and maintain air conditioner. Thank you.